morning, guys. Long time no see. Basically today we're planning on doing a what I eat in a day video. Whether or not that goes to plan, I have no idea. However, as usual guys, I'm in a mad rush because I have work today, but I'm working in the office, so I'm running very late, so I'm not gonna have my normal breakfast. So I'm probably just gonna have to grab a banana, one of these deliciously Ella oat bars, and call it a day, and then water. It's not my typical breakfast, and I'm really sad I can't have my usual breakfast because I do love breakfast. And there's cherries here. Guys, cherries are just, oh, they're just the best thing ever. Anyways, I really need to stop talking and start walking. I don't think I'm actually allowed to record in here. Who knows? Update, I'm so starving and hungry, don't understand. This is what I'm currently eating as a snack. They're like little rice cakes, and I love them. But my stomach is doing a madness because I have a meeting in like 5 minutes. I don't have time to get lunch right now. So lunch is gonna have to wait until after. So we'll update you then. I hope no one's looking at me through these glass windows. I can just feel like eyes. That's why I'm speaking really quietly. But yeah, currently very low energy. Basically, this was probably not a good day to film the what I eat in a day, because this is not what I usually eat in a day. But because I'm in the office, it's just a bit difficult, you know? Maybe I'll film another one when I'm like at home and can eat as I please. But anyways, yeah, we'll update you when I have lunch. See ya. It may look like I've literally just been in the same position, haven't moved. However, a lot has happened since I last. Why isn't this focusing? Come on. I had like loads of meetings, and now it's, I should have told you the timings of everything. It's now like 1:30 around about, and I've just gone to get some lunch because my stomach was just dying. This is what I got because it had to be like a quick lunch today, no like fancy stuff. So this is the very yummy king prawn tomato and basil pasta salad, and this is a protein bar because got to get that protein in, and I really haven't had much protein today. I still, even though it has like a low sugar, of course it has like sweetness and goodness, obviously it has like other things to make it sweet, and I prefer like the ones that aren't so sweet because I don't really like sickly sweet things. But this isn't sickly sweet, but it still is sweeter than I like my protein bars. But this is it's a very solid protein bar if you want a recommendation. And this is a very good pasta salad from M&S if you want a recommendation. I don't usually like supermarket pasta salads and supermarket like meal like lunches, you know, but this is a good one. Also, why did I have to pay 10p for my fork in the canteen? Like, I don't work here, they made me pay 10p, but what can we do? Anyways, I need to go now because everyone's looking at me. This is, oh my god, I actually can't do this live. They're gonna think I'm like weirdo, that one hijabi weirdo at work. Somehow I have to leave work like a little early because Fats is waiting for me at home so we can film together. I know, miracle, right? Like, we're actually filming. But she has a train leaving back to Edinburgh at around like 7. So our time schedule is going to be very, very tight. Guys, we've got a surprise guest. Guess who it is? Oh, hello.
Oh, hey.
You look so cute today.
Oh my god, you guys don't even know I went to Edinburgh because we didn't even upload our Edinburgh vlog. Blah 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 blah. So fast forward, I've moved. I'm no longer a London gal. Yeah. So I'm so excited because Aisha's actually cooking for me today. This girl doesn't ever cook really, and even then she's cheating because she's using HelloFresh, but it's right.
Guys, dinner has arrived at the perfect time because honestly I'm starving. The last time I ate was that pasta salad at work, which you guys saw, which was probably at like 1:30 p.m.
Was it Sainsbury's?
No, it was M&S, babe.
Oh.
M&S they do the most banging prawn salad. It's not prawn salad, prawn pasta salad. Anyways, if you can't already see, today's dinner is going to be provided to us by HelloFresh, and I'm so excited because I've literally just always wanted to try HelloFresh. It's a meal subscription service, and they have, every week they have 35 different meals you can choose from. They have like veggie options, pescatarian, meat options, like whatever you could want basically. What's on the menu today? Okay, so it's ultimate cheesy lamb shepherd's pie, because my family loves shepherd's pie.
Got smoky potatoes at Bravas.
Smoky potatoes bravas, lovely. We said that in literally the most like fresh English accent you could ever dream of.
Guys, we're on a mission to try and make it in 30 minutes.
Yeah, it says 40 to 45 minutes, so I don't know if we're gonna get that in time. Also, one little thing I do have to add is I was just silly and I didn't check whether or not the meat is halal. So I just bought my own meat, so we're just going to substitute that. But that was literally the only thing I had to do. Other than that, it's the most easiest, hassle-free thing you could ever wish for, especially if you're a lazy cook like I am.
Oh,
You're not lazy cook, but I'm definitely a lazy cook.
Yeah, okay, no, now I am. Now I moved out, I am.
Yeah, literally, for me, this is just perfect. Don't have to buy the ingredients. Don't have to, like, look up a recipe. I don't have to do anything. Anyways,
We'll catch you in a bit.
Guys, if you didn't know, Fats has moved to Edinburgh. Did we ever like mention that? Did we mention?
We've done a whole vlog.
Oh yeah, we did.
Well, we haven't. It'll go up.
Anyway, so she's back visiting for. You've only been here for like 3 days, and she's leaving today, which I'm really sad about. But once we have her, we're gonna ask. What are we gonna ask you? Okay, what's the best and worst thing about Scotland?
Best thing is the peace and the quiet and the air. And I have no hay fever.
That's cute.
Oh, no leaky nose.
What's the worst thing about Scotland?
Worst thing.
Does it say to do that, babe?
Yeah, babe, it says peel and chop. We don't need to peel them, I promise you. And cut into 2 centimetre chunks.
Okay, but are you sure you don't want to peel them? Because this is the funniest thing ever, yeah?
No, because we're both making something with the same ingredients.
Firstly, guys, I thought I was a bad cook, okay? So she's chopping up these potatoes from what's the word? For our shepherd's pie, which is mashed potato topping.
Because I thought we were making something else.
I was like, Fats, are you sure you keep skin on? She's like, yeah, of course, keep skin on. I was like, no, that doesn't seem right. So then I asked my mum, who makes shepherd's pie like all the time, and she was like, of course you have to remove the skin.
Let me calm down.
I'm trying to take a deep breath.
Babe, where's bag 35?
Bag 35, I put it in the bin. Our shepherd's pie,
Is
yeah.
this the mint?
No, of course
Oh,
not.
I don't know.
When have you ever cooked that?
I know, I was thinking. Babe, one man.
Basically, you should have put a mincemeat in that, if I'm honest with you.
Oh, no, babe, this is a frying
No,
pan.
that's not a frying pan. Listen, you don't know how to cook. I've actually
Babe,
teached it.
no.
Just listen.
This is a frying
That's
pan.
not what we cook my mincemeat in. Where's our big pan?
Why can't you make mincemeat in
Babe,
that?
you don't make mincemeat in that.
What would you make in this?
It's a frying pan.
Yeah, babe,
You
read
need
the
a saucepan.
instructions. It literally says a frying pan, a fry it, the mince.
Mom, she wants to cook mincemeat in this.
No, I want to
I'm telling you, she's driving me crazy, Mum. Okay, so another update that I'm going to tell you guys about. Fats finally got her hearing aid. Well, she got it put in, I mean. Like, she's actually wearing it. And I'm just so happy because she can hear. She can't hear me.
Where's the sling? I heard you. Talking about me getting my hearing aid. I'm concentrating.
Sorry. Do you know, because you told me eat less, but just keep my protein intake up.
Oh, yeah.
So I've
Wait,
started
not
to eat less.
Eat better.
Okay.
And yeah, no. Eat
As
less,
in-
like calorie deficit.
Yeah, I'm on a
Don't
calorie
forget that.
deficit slightly. Oh yeah, what are your flatmates like? Tell them what your flatmates are like.
Oh, is it? They're gonna see this.
Yeah, so
Actually,
say good stuff.
You're right. They're very nice people. They're so intelligent. They're university lecturers.
Oh yeah, both of them.
One is obsessed with rocks. She's got a whole blog about rocks.
Oh.
Actually, I don't know if I can tell you that.
What type of rocks? I used to like rocks, and I had a rock collection when I was younger.
You used to
But
like
they
rocks?
weren't rocks as such. They were precious, semi-precious stones. Pebbles?
Oh.
No, like gems. Do you know how like you can buy like amethyst rock and quartz and all of that?
Also, babe, I need help.
Yeah, what do you need help with?
Basically, how do I make your heat lower? How do I make the heat lower?
1 sec.
Chop, this is urgent.
Alright. Guys, so this is what the mince is looking like. This is what our potatoes are looking like. This is what everything else is looking like.
So guys, bye. Going back to Edinburgh, unfortunately. Didn't even get to taste the shepherd's pie.
She's actually sleeping. She's my sous chef and she's leaving me.
No, you got this. Every 5 minutes is Aisha. Mother.
or whatever. Basically, ciao. I'll show you the end result myself.
I'm using this one now, yeah?
For what? Yeah, for the vegetables. Yeah, you can. I'll allow you to do that. All right, say bye to them.
Ciao.
See you in September, inshallah.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
This is the complete product. Obviously, we can't see what it looks like inside, but I think from the outside it looks quite good. And here are my vegetables. I also burnt my hand.
Yo.